What's going on, guys? It's your boy JB, and if you don't know me, we go over tools, tips, and tricks to make money online. And today is the start of the Drell Jones challenge. So, guys, if you missed it in the last episode, we actually went over the Clickbank mastery course created by Drell Jones, but now we're actually going to do a Drell Jones challenge based on his course. So, as you can see on the screen, we'll be doing Instagram, Facebook groups, and YouTube. Those three methods, free traffic methods, to see if we can actually create some income for ourselves using Clickbank offers. So if you're new to the channel, what are you doing? Hit that subscribe button. You don't want to miss this. This will be a 3-part series, and this way you guys can actually learn step by step how to create profit for yourself using free traffic methods in 3 different types of platforms. So you don't want to miss these. And again, I'm doing this because, for one, Drell Jones put together a really robust course in the Clickbank mastery course. And also, too, I know a lot of people are actually looking for more free traffic methods because of the pandemic. A lot of people run out of money, or they're just trying to find different strategies in order to create more income for themselves and for their families. So I thought this would be a great opportunity for me to actually just go through this step by step and show you and break it down. And hopefully we make some money out of this. You know, I got a lot of faith in Drell. You know, he's putting it down every single week. So I have faith in him, and I have faith that these techniques and methods will work. And hopefully we can do this in about 7 days. That's what I'm hoping for. If not, then it is what it is. But our goal is to actually create some income for ourselves, some kind of commission in the next 7 days using free traffic methods. So what we're going to do first, we're going to do Instagram first. We're going to set the profile. We're going to do 15 posts, and we're going to follow about 100 people and see if we can get some momentum that way. So I'm going to go ahead and pause the video, and I'm going to set it up real quick based on what he said in his course, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, here we are. I went ahead and set it up. I called the page the Manifestation Anthem. Again, we're doing the spirituality niche. And I went step by step of how he decided to pick out different posts and repost them, and I put them on my page. So just app called Repost. I just used that. I went on my phone, and then I just found different spirituality pages and profiles, and I just reposted high quality posts that were actually on the profile. So for example, you can give credit automatically using the Repost app, as you can see right here in the top right corner. I'll go and click on it. It copies over everything. So it copies over the actual profile itself, and it also brings over the hashtags, and I added some more hashtags too, so it's completely different, or slightly different than what got brought over from the old post. And immediately people started liking the post. As you can see, there's one right here, there's 2, 1, 3, 2, and then 6. There's 2 actually comments on this one. Yes, awesome. So so cool. So it is happening. I'm getting a lot of engagement. Not a lot of engagement, but I'm getting some engagement right off the bat as soon as I uploaded this. And again, so this goes to a numerology report, and I copied this verbatim of what he said in his course, and you click on that, and then it takes you to my Clickbank offer of numerology. And again, if you're looking to do this or promote this offer, you're gonna have to apply for it. It took me, again, about 2 weeks. I applied once, I didn't hear anything back, so I reached out back to them again, and they approved me. I don't know, because like the second time I told them that I had a YouTube channel. Maybe that's the reason why they approved me the second time. I'm not sure. But if you apply once and it's been a week, they haven't said anything, please feel free to email them back again to see if you can get access to it, because like Drell said earlier in his course, and this is a high converting offer, so we're going to promote this using his method. So hopefully it does convert. I have faith in him that it will. And yeah, so I'll show you how I actually found these viral posts. So law of attraction. So I just typed in law of attraction. This is what he says in his course as well. And then I clicked on the first one that I saw. And then, as you can see, as I hover over this, like almost 2,000 comments and 13,000 likes on that one. And I was just really digging through to see if what's the highest number I can get on the comment section. So kept scrolling down. This is 6,000. I think the highest one that I saw was at 7,000. This will probably be one that I repost in a few days. So yeah, 6,000, 6,000. So anything over 6. Here you go. Here's one. But this just has like a July date on it, so I don't want to use that. 3,000, 5,000. Tons of engagement on these. So probably the next remaining of the 15, I'll just come through this and I'll just repost that. And again, each one of these, I try to find ones that have where it says type yes if you are ready. I try to find those. That way, again, it gets more engagement, and hopefully your post shows up in the Explorer page or the Explorer feed of people's Instagram profiles, and that way they can click on it. Then hopefully they'll click on the link in the bio. So again, cool tactic. We'll see if it works. I'm gonna give it time. Again, I'll give it about 7 days. Let me go to my Clickbank page, and that way you can see I don't have any sales yet. Log in. So here we are right here. Today is the 28th. Yeah, so I took another course by 7 Figures Marketing. If you're not familiar who that is, you should definitely check them out. I was just doing a test on one of his strategies using Bing ads, and this is weight loss niche, and I ended up making 174. And I think I spent $74, $75 on ad spend on this. So yeah, I was just testing it out, and I got some money on that one too. So I might do a review video. I might do a review video on that course as well. But anyway, we're here for this. So yeah, as you can see, there's no money in here, and we're gonna just check 7 days later, and hopefully we get some commissions. And again, I'll show you the offer real quick, and it is this one. Close it out. On this. So it already has me in here because I've already been accepted. But yeah, you would just apply for this, and then it gives you some image assets that you can use. So I could probably use this for Instagram if I want to. Which is pretty cool. I haven't seen these yet. Pretty sweet. So you never know, I might use some of these in some of my Instagram posts. But going back to the document, so set it up. I'll finish up the 15 posts, and I'm gonna start following 100 people. I'm not gonna do it all at once, because if I do that, I'll get banned. Don't want to do that. So I'll do about like 10 to 15 per day, and yeah, again, hopefully we'll get some traction doing that. So right now I'm gonna go up and set up my Facebook group, or not my Facebook group. I'm gonna go ahead and find some Facebook groups and see if I can join 10 groups, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, so I've gone through all these, and I've joined about 10 groups. As you can see, let me just show you. A lot of these are private groups. So as you can see, cancel requests, because I already try to request to get in, like private group. I'm not even bothering with that. So yeah, I already requested to join that one. And yeah, again, I've done about 10 of them. So I've done this part of it. There is a ton of these that are private. So again, for the challenge, I don't want to bother with that. I don't want to bother waiting or having to like get vetted just to get inside these groups. So I've done the 10. So let's go ahead and go back. And now it's up my YouTube channel, and I'll be back for that. All right, guys, so I went ahead and set up my YouTube channel. As you can see, I'm calling it the Manifestation Anthem across the board for Instagram and YouTube. And the way I created the channel art, all I did was I went to Canva, which is, of course, you guys should know that it's free. I just went on here and I typed in universe. Well, actually, I'll just go back. I typed in YouTube channel art. You just go to that, and then you click blank. And then I did this, and then I just deleted that, and then I changed this to the manifestation anthem, and I brought down the font to about 88, the way it can fit in there. And then you can add elements to this, so let's put stars, as you can see. I just kind of went through and picked out what I liked. I like this one, so grab that, and then I just changed the color of it by clicking this and selecting that. And in a nutshell, I mean, that's really all I did. And then I just, of course, downloaded it. Then I uploaded that, and then also I created a logo on here as well using the same star. I just did, went to create a design, custom dimensions, 800 by 800. Create a new design, and then elements, stars. Well, actually, I went to universe. Grab that, and then elements, stars, and then scale out. And that's my logo. So that's all I really did for the channel art and the profile logo. So going back, I also did a description, and I did the default channel tags. Go to settings, channel, and then your keywords. So I just added these in. So typically, well, what he says is like just use a few keywords in there that just kind of just describe the channel. What I'm gonna start doing is using 5 to 10 keywords in my channels that I start creating from this point on, and I'm gonna use these same keywords in every single video that I create, but I'll just latch on to whatever, I'll add on to whatever that video is about. So for example, if the video is about law of attraction, I will use the remaining tags about law of attraction. If I do something about readings, then I'll just do the remaining keywords for about readings. That way, hopefully it can go viral by keeping the same tags on every single video. So we'll see if that helps. Again, I follow what he said too as well by adding what the channel is going to be about. I just added some more tags to it that show a lot of growth and show a lot of that show less competition. So I added those in there as well. So hopefully it'll help me climb up pretty fast. But we'll see. Again, we'll see. But yeah, that's all I did for the YouTube channel setup. If I can get out of here, move myself out of the way. And so yeah, that is it for part 1 of the challenge, guys. So I did the Instagram setup, I did the post. I'm still working on the follow-unfollow technique that he has. I requested to join 10 groups. I did the channel creation. So part 2 will be the video creation and also placing the video link on Reddit. I'm gonna do that. And then also I want to continue to follow more people on Instagram. So then again, like I said, on the third part of the series, we're gonna see the results. We can go over the results and see if I got any commissions that way. And yeah, so again, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. You don't want to miss this. Make sure you're taking notes. That way you guys can see if this is actually a good fit for you. and I'll see you in the next episode. Peace.